Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And if you're using Firefox, Firefox also had an update today, June the 25th. And so if you go to Firefox browser, upper right hamburger menu, go down to help and to about Firefox. You were moved to 152.0.3. This does not contain anything security. It contains a very specific bug fix. If you are using language packs on your PC, Firefox had the problem of crashing, freezing, and having all sorts of issues. So this is what they fixed here in using different language packs with Firefox. For the rest, there's absolutely no security updates or anything. So it's a very minor update that will affect a very small number of people, actually. It depends on if you're using more than one language. And so that would make the browser crash regularly. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.